High-resolution radar right now. We watched a few storms out towards Laredo trying to build up and come in. That didn't happen. Most of what you see here is just moisture in the atmosphere. But we're looking at the possibility of severe threat. Well, okay, let me take that back. When we take a look at the severe threat, we are in the general thunderstorm category. That's what I meant to say. Out towards Starr County. And we talked about that during the 6:30 because a few storms are trying to build up in the mountainous areas of Mexico and trying to come in. We have a high pressure within the state, and that's kind of tempering down some of what's building up out there. So that's why the SPC has placed us only in a thunderstorm category for our region. Now, as we look at the NAM model for tomorrow, it's showing, yeah, you know, they're going to try to build up. They're going to try to come in. You can even see some of the red and yellow trying to pick up off the mountainous areas. There's a few that are there that try to come in, but notice they kind of die off. Now, this model saying, no way, maybe a spotty shower or two, and that's pretty much it. You can tell most of the activity taking place well out towards the west. Now, this is our GFS model. This one kind of gives us little blobs compared to actual little spots. So here, we're going to start off here on Thursday, and you're going to notice some green that builds up. Oh, there's some right there that comes in through Laredo, and then again later on Friday, too. So this model is saying, let's push it to Friday. Really what it's saying is the ingredients are there. Could it happen? Yes, it could. But we've kept down the chances at a pretty minimum level. And in fact, the SPC on Friday also put Starr County on a general thunderstorm category for Friday itself. You notice another one popping up, trying to move in on Sunday as well. So that's why over the past couple of days, I've been saying each and every day we have a shot at seeing maybe a few showers. Today, Harlingen with that sea breeze. Tomorrow could be out towards Starr County. 72 degrees for your lows for tonight. We look out towards tomorrow with temperatures back up into the mid 80s to upper 80s. The farther out towards the west you go, the closer to 90s you're going to get, like Mission and La Jolla, 91 degrees. Out towards Starr County, 92 degrees. And then when we look at your 7-day forecast, those 90s start to encompass the entire week. For everyone else, 93 to 92 as we go from Friday to Wednesday. Mostly cloudy skies. Cinco de Mayo, you're holding a margarita in your hand, still looking like 93 degrees.
Freddie, thank you. Coming up.